Okay, I'm using my old Ryobi, the one I thought I lost, to cut these floorboards in case I hit a nail. Now, the idea now, first was I wanted to run a power cable, so the cable's in there now. Now we decided we're going to insulate the whole floorboard underneath the floorboard. So I lifted another floorboard up. Now I wanted to tell you about this one. This one was not easy. It's got all the big square nails in there, lots of them in there. So it was a little bit of a chore. I started off with this kind of a tool, right in there, and pounded that in there and got a little bit, and then literally just worked my way along. Took the hammer, put that in there, worked it a little bit, and then I got to this one, bigger. You gotta be careful, you know, you just do it right along, and then finally it comes out. But now we're gonna have to deal with the nails, and then take all those nails out, and then put screws in there again. But with two boards wide, I can get the insulation in there. And what I'm finding is, I cut a piece about a foot wide. That's about a 2-foot piece over there, so I can shove one in there. A bunch of wires right here, so I don't know if I can see anything in there, especially another wire. I just put one in there, so I'll get them over to there, and I think I'll do one more joist. I'm not going to cut the threshold one out. I think if I do one board there, get the stuff in. So all those nails sticking up. So I'm just turning this board over for right now. Get the insulation back in there, and then I can get this covered up. Get this all covered up. I can lay a roll of I've got the underlay, and then this section will be finished, and I can move stuff over here back onto there, so I can carry on and get my two 8-foot wide, which is over here to the window almost, all the way over to there, 8 foot somewhere, depending on how I cut it over here. So at least to that table, I got to get all the way over there without going crazy on it. Mainly this area around here, where the desk will be. So I might be stopping someplace. As far as the insulation is concerned, the underlay maybe we'll carry on with the underlay, but the insulation may be just over into this area, and then along the wall, because that's really poor. See what we can do, but that looks like it's not going to work because the joist is right against the wall, isn't it? That's going to be some spray foam insulation job down in there. I got a couple of cans of that. I'll sort that out with some spray foam. And anyway, back to the blade. And I've already seen sparks flying on the blade, so I'd hate to even look at it and see what shape it's in.